Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I'm in a home that has no vapor barrier, no insulation. Humidity is at 85%. There is growth everywhere. But what I want to show you in particular about this house is you can see stuff up on the subfloor and everything and on the joists. But look here. Look at how dark all of that is. That's all wet. It's condensation from these supply lines because the homeowner keeps the AC really cold. There's no lowering the dew point. There's no dehumidifier. There's no plastic on the ground. The vents are all open. So as that hot humid air comes in and hits these cold air ducts, and that cold boot right there, see that boot? It's metal. It's just soaking this whole subfloor, causing a huge issue. So I've said it before and I'll say it again, you got to control humidity. You've got to control humidity in these houses, in these crawl spaces. I mean, this thing is just soaking wet. Look at all that. It's just really bad. So anyway, just wanted to show you this. Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and thanks for watching. We'll see you later.